Hello and welcome everyone. This session will make you understand how machine learning is being implemented into the DevOps culture. So, in this video, we will cover the following topics. What is machine learning? The difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence? What do you mean by DevOps? What are the benefits of machine learning in DevOps? The disadvantages of machine learning? How to apply machine learning in DevOps? And finally, applications of machine learning in DevOps. So let's start by understanding what machine learning actually is. Machine learning is a part of computer science that provides the computers with the ability to learn without being programmed. It uses pattern recognition and computational learning theory to build an algorithm and predict future data. Presently, machine learning is being used widely all over the world, and it has become a part of our lives. Effective web search, voice recognition, automated cars, games are some of the fields that have applied machine learning to improve user experience. Now you may feel that machine learning sounds a lot like artificial intelligence. Let's find out if they are actually similar. Although machine learning and artificial intelligence are two terms used reciprocally, they are not similar. Putting it simply, AI is the extensive concept of computers being able to complete a task in a way that humans regard as smart. On the other hand, machine learning is an application of AI which allows us to provide the computers with access to the data and adapt on their own. Imagine working in a silo in a company that has a wide range of products that are being used by customers from all over the world. In order to keep up with the customers' needs and issues, it is imperative that the development and the operations team work together. DevOps thus ensures fast and short release cycles that can get new applications and features to customers quickly and reliably. DevOps is also about team coordination and having feedback loops for continuous improvement. This helps in capturing the release bugs as early as possible, thus reducing the testing time. Let's have a look at the benefits of introducing machine learning into the DevOps culture. In DevOps, it's absolutely necessary that the IT operations is able to keep up with the pace and depth of the product an organization is working on. There should be professionals who are familiar with the product flow, analytics, troubleshooting, and must be able to figure out the errors in the process and report accordingly. Now, this is where machine learning comes in. Its aim is to eliminate human efforts at troubleshooting or finding issues. What it will do is analyze the previous and current data and plan and predict the future of the workflow, thus eliminating any unwanted circumstances. Let's now get deeper into the topic and find out how machine learning can be implemented to DevOps. DevOps and machine learning share a powerful alliance with the related capabilities like predictive analytics, algorithmic IT operations, operations analytics, and AI. Introduction of machine learning into DevOps has gifted its team with the abilities to proof-check highly complex data sets, detect patterns and anti-patterns, uncover new ideas, repeat and refine queries, all at the same speed as the computer operates with. Large and variable data generated by new delivery processes and the next-gen applications can be exclusively handled by machine learning with ease. Let's now look into some key examples of how machine learning can help optimize the functions of a DevOps environment. Delivery process can be tracked with various DevOps tools. Now, these tools produce a lot of data, and any kind of error in this data can be detected by the application of machine learning. Large code volumes, slow release rate, long build times, etc. are some of the issues that are put in check using machine learning. Machine learning can also review the QA results and figure out errors and present a better testing pattern based on its findings. It can track the behavior patterns of the development and operations user and detect irregularities, indicating malicious activities like stealing intellectual property, deploying authorized code, etc. Management of the code is where machine learning can be the most handy. Large data volumes and transaction records and the number of users is something that can be analyzed by machine learning, and it can point out the errors with respect to the normal values. Machine learning can also be used to manage the high number of alerts that occur in the production system, reducing alert storm and alert fatigue. It can also detect errors in the normal proceedings and wisely analyze previously released logs to find out the issues with a new release. Machine learning can read through previously known good patterns of utilization and plan out the best kind of configuration to maximize performance. It analyzes through user matrices to detect good and bad patterns and lets the business and development team know if the product is going to have a problem prior to its release. Now, if at all there are any disadvantages of machine learning, they are these. It still can't be guaranteed that every algorithm used in machine learning would work fine in every case. Sometimes it might fail, and thus, it demands a proper understanding of the problems so that the right machine learning algorithm is used. Machine learning requires a large amount of deep learning data. Collection of such huge amount of data makes it really difficult to work with. And machine learning is not a self-maintaining software application. As a result, the technical faults keep accumulating, and it's called technical debt. Technical debt can be of many types, like hidden feedback loops, underutilized data dependencies, brittleness, etc. There are new technologies and practices being introduced into the IT industry every minute. These new technologies run their course, eventually giving way to even newer prospects. So, DevOps is a relatively new addition to the industry, and it is quite evident that with the application of machine learning services, its lifeline would be stretched substantially in an ever-transforming market.
Hey, want to become an expert in cloud computing? Then subscribe to Simplilearn's channel and click here to watch more such videos. To nerd up and get certified in cloud computing, click here.